বন্ধুরা শোনো, আমার একটা কথা শোনো, তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। ওজন বাড়ে বাড়ুক, ওজন বাড়ে বাড়ুক, তবু বডির ওজন বাড়তে দিও না। ও আমার পেটুক বন্ধুরা শোনো, আমার একটা কথা শোনো, তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না। তোমরা যেন মোটা হইও না।
আর তাই চলো যাই সবাই ক্লাব খাই খাই। খাই খাই ক্লাবে গিয়ে কি হবে?
আমার পরানো যাহা চাই, যাহা চাই তাহা খাই গো। আমার পরানো যাহা চাই।
Namaskar, this is Chef Pradeep Rosario back again at KhaiKhaiClub.com. In my kitchen today, I am going to show you something which will go very well in this summer season. So today I am going to make a prawn dish which I am going to grill it and then chill it on ice and then serve it with onions, red chili, green peas and corn. Then let's begin. We have some prawn here. Let us grill the prawns. 4 pieces of prawns. Grill it on a griddle plate like this. Olive oil. A dash of salt, lime juice, and I will add some black pepper to it. A dash of black pepper. You all must be wondering how this grilled prawn can be taken chilled. I will reduce the temperature for grilling slowly so the prawn is fully cooked. I'll have some sliced onions here, green peas, a lot of green peas, corn, whole corn, red chilies, a lot of red chilies sliced, and lime juice. Then I am going to mix this, nothing much, the flavor of the chili with the onion and the green peas and the corn. My prawn is ready here. What I will do, I'll take it out and put it on this ice, and this will take 10 minutes to get it chilled. After the prawn is getting chilled, I'll put this on the salad and serve it. So my prawn is chilled. Now we are going to serve this. I'll take this onion and put it here like this, all the onions like this, and rest of the salad I'm going to put it here separate. Yeah, I'm going to put it here like this, rest of the salad. This salad is so healthy, you see, the corn and the onions and the prawns, that goes very well in this summer season. When it is so hot outside, so humid, I think this salad can have a whole meal by itself. Once it is chilled, I'll display the prawn like this. Yeah, that's it. My ice is here where I chill the prawns. What I will do, I'll put the salad plate on top of the ice bowl. Yeah, that's it. So you can have it straight away like this when the whole salad is chilled. Please try this at home. If If you don't want prawn, you can have anything you want. You can have fish, you can have chicken, but have it chill. Good luck, all the best, good summer, and in this summer, be healthy, have a lot of yogurt, because yogurt will give you a feeling of coolness and chillness. You got to be chill all throughout the summer season. God bless you. Take care.